Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to send a GIF and a chat on the X app. Whether you're new to the app or just want a refresher, sending GIFs is an easy way to make your messages more fun and expressive. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Once it loads, look toward the bottom of your screen and tap on the message icon. This is where all of your conversations and private messages are stored. Next, choose the chat or conversation where you'd like to send a GIF. You can scroll through your list of conversations or start a new one if needed. Once you're inside the chat, you'll notice several icons at the bottom where you usually type a message. Now, tap on the GIF icon. This will open up a library full of GIFs you can use. You can browse through the trending ones that appear automatically, or you can search for something specific that fits the mood of your conversation. Just type a keyword or phrase into the search bar, and you'll see a wide selection of GIFs to choose from. Once you find the perfect one, simply tap on it and it will appear in your chat, ready to be sent. If you're satisfied with your choice, hit the send button and the GIF will instantly be delivered to your conversation. That's all it takes. With just a few taps, you can add some humor, excitement, or emotion to your conversations on X. It only takes a moment, but it really helps keep your chats more engaging and fun. So the next time you're messaging with friends or joining in on a conversation, remember how quick and simple it is to share a GIF. Go ahead, try it out, and make your messages come alive with the perfect reaction. Thanks for watching.